What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven Vargas from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. Look, guys, I am excited about today's tour, not just because it's a 1-bedroom plus den at the newly minted Paramount World Center in downtown Miami, or the fact that it has one of the most insane amenity decks that Miami has to offer, complete with a 2-story roof deck. But above all of that, I'm excited because of the price I was able to negotiate for my clients. So the quick backstory on the sale is that I represented the buyer, and this condo was originally listed for $839,000. But after some back and forth with the seller, I was able to get them to come down to the final sales price of $750,000. And for those of you keeping score, that works out to be about $89,000 of a discount, or about 11% off of the purchase price. However, and I must say however, if you are a buyer in this market, please don't expect to get these types of price cuts in your negotiations, as these results are not typical. I sound like a medication, especially not in a seller's market. When you're lucky if you get any discount whatsoever, let alone an 11% discount off of the purchase price, which is all the more reason as to why this marks as a huge win for my client, the buyer. And I like to also, as a quick caveat, just mention the negotiations to me are one of my favorite parts to what it is that I do for a living. This to me is where we as real estate agents get to showcase to our clients the value that we bring to the table by enlisting in our services. This entire process is all the sweeter given the fact that this win took place in Paramount Miami World Center, which to me is the resurgence of downtown Miami's claim to once again become the neighborhood of choice over its direct competitors, Brickell and Downtown, which for a long time have been getting a lot of the claim and accolades, if you will. It aims to do this by converting 25 acres of land in the downtown Miami area to a mixed-use epicenter complete with residential, commercial, and office space known to us as the Miami World Center. This milestone project is, of course, going to play a huge role in the way the downtown Miami is perceived, but to me, it's going to completely change the experience and lifestyle of the residents. Now, as I'm sure you can imagine, given the scale of this project, none of this is going to happen overnight, but this project will take many years, and Paramount was the first phase to give us kind of like a glimpse and indication as to what is going to be expected and what this will look like for the future of downtown Miami. And to that, I must say they did a great job showcasing what is in store. Paramount was designed with impeccable attention to detail and sophistication while maintaining its mark as one of Miami's trendiest residential buildings. But I can assure you that nothing, and I truly mean this, nothing is as trendy as clicking that subscribe button and ringing that notification bell is. So go ahead and do that so you don't miss out on any of my weekly Miami real estate content. And with that, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video of a 1-bedroom plus den at Paramount Miami World Center for $750,000. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you found value from the content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like by clicking that thumbs up button. See more of my videos by clicking on that property tour playlist here on the channel. And to be notified of my weekly upcoming videos, of course, click that notification bell. Thank you so much for making it this far. And as always, I will see you all next week. Take care and God bless.